watch the news.
I am your new president. We shall all go to an assembly today. Okay, people, it's time for a very boring speech about blah, 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 blah. Are you sure this is a good idea, Charmander? I'm sure. I used it with a rocket launcher on the last president. Wait a second. I have another way that will obliterate the Mushroom Kingdom. And he's coming! Huh? The security guard at this assembly. And he's coming! Breaking news, there was a earthquake on the east side of the Mushroom Kingdom today. So, hopefully it doesn't come to our side. Anyways, that was our only news reporter. I guess I'm gonna have to fill in. I'm the weatherman. Hopefully nothing falls on me. Oh god, a fiery log! And now, for the weather. Okay, let's look on our weather map. Well, as you can see today... Wait a second. Are you sure this wasn't a glitch in the system? Are you sure the whole entire Mushroom Kingdom was a, earthquake today? Well, there's only one way to find out. I am coming back from my grave. It was only a minor earthquake. I'm the only survivor at the sea.